Binance has launched trading access for over 7,000 US stocks and ETFs for users outside the United States. This move allows international traders to buy fractional shares starting at $5 using crypto assets like USDC and USDT. The platform is positioning itself as a bridge between traditional finance and blockchain infrastructure, leveraging partnerships with Nest Trading and Alpaca to execute and custody these trades. Nest Trading handles the execution of stock trades, while Alpaca manages custody, dividends, and corporate actions. This is a significant step in expanding Binance's reach beyond cryptocurrency into traditional markets. The service is available to non-US users and is designed to lower the barriers to entry for global investors who may not have access to US stock markets through conventional means. Fractional shares are a key feature, allowing users to invest small amounts into high-value stocks. This could attract a broader audience, including those who previously found US stock trading too expensive or complex. Binance has also announced a feature called bStocks. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now, which aims to tokenize these stock holdings on the BNB chain. This tokenization could streamline settlement times, which are often slow in traditional markets. The exchange claims that tokenized stock trading volume hit a record $3.57 billion on May 19, indicating growing interest in this model. The move into US stock trading is part of Binance's broader strategy to expand its global footprint and diversify its offerings. According to Binance co-CEO Richard Teng, US equities represent more than half of global market value, and access is limited in many regions due to cost and infrastructure challenges. Binance's new offering is framed as a solution to these limitations. The company is using its existing infrastructure and crypto rails to facilitate these trades, allowing users to fund positions with digital assets like USDC, USDT, and BNB. This integration of crypto and traditional assets is a novel approach that could redefine how global investors access US markets. The use of tokenized equities could also bring new efficiencies to the settlement process, which is typically slower and more fragmented in traditional finance. Binance's bStocks initiative is still in the planning phase, but signals a long-term vision to bring traditional assets onto blockchain platforms. This could create new opportunities for liquidity and interoperability between crypto and traditional markets. The launch of US stock trading for non-US users is a major development in the crypto-to-finance space. It reflects Binance's ambition to become a one-stop platform for both crypto and traditional asset classes. The move also. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Aligns with broader trends in financial innovation, where blockchain is increasingly being used to tokenize real-world assets. However, the success of this initiative will depend on regulatory clarity and user adoption. While Binance is not a traditional stock exchange, its global user base and infrastructure could give it an edge in expanding stock access to new markets. The next signal to watch is whether tokenized equities on BNB Chain gain traction, and if this offering leads to increased adoption of crypto-backed stock trading globally.